Hi, everyone. Welcome to my weekly overview video for American government. Today, I'm going to be talking about week 16, so December 14th to December 18th. We're going to be talking about everything we plan on doing this week, both synchronously and asynchronously. So this week, we're going to be moving on from the presidency and discussing our federal bureaucracy, as well as the executive branch of Pennsylvania. The second half of our week was going to be spent reviewing Unit 5 for our Unit 5 assessment, right? So there are two essential questions that you're going to be covering asynchronously that is new information. One, how do federal employees impact policy? And two, what is the Pennsylvania executive branch responsible for in government? So together in our face-to-face lessons, whether that's in person or on Zoom, the first lesson we're going to cover is the federal bureaucracy and the cabinet. The second lesson, we are going to do our Unit 5 review. I'm hoping to play some games, do some fun stuff just to review Unit 5. For your asynchronous lessons, there are two asynchronous lessons on new information, and there's one that is going to be a review. So asynchronous number 1 is going to be a mini Google Slides project on jobs of the federal government. I'm going to send you a website with all of the agencies, all of the departments in the federal government. There are hundreds of them, and you're going to pick one of them, anyone that interests you. Postal Service, if you're interested in the archives, if you're interested in the Department of Defense, anything you want, you're allowed to pick. You're going to pick one department, and there are going to be directions where you're going to tell me about that department and then explore some job opportunities that you could do through that department. The second asynchronous lesson then will be the Pennsylvania Executive Branch worksheet. That's going to be a Google Doc. You're going to learn about the governor, learn about his cabinet. You're going to go to his website, just learning about the executive branch of Pennsylvania and what they're responsible for in terms of what they provide for the people living in Pennsylvania. Our third asynchronous lesson then will be the Unit 5 study guide, your favorite. So all of the key questions, all of the key terms from our unit, you are expected to go through that, answer the questions, and just prepare for your Unit 5 assessment. It is graded. It is mandatory. I want you to do that. Next week then, when we come back after, right before the break, we're going to do our Unit 5 assessment. So finishing up Unit 5. So when we get back from break or get back virtually from break, we're going to start right into Unit 6, which is our last unit. We're going to talk about the judicial branch of government. So we're finishing up the executive branch these next couple weeks. And then when we get back from winter break, heading right into Unit 6, the judicial branch. All right, that's it for me. If you have any questions, as always, shoot me a message on Schoology, and have a good time. Have a good weekend, and I will see you all soon.